Adam here from the Digital Goja showroom, and today we got the top picks of the month coming right up. So if this is the first time you've joined us, every month we do a top picks video. We choose 3 items in the Digital Goja showroom that we feel are the top picks of the month, and we start in reverse order from number 3 and work our way to number 1. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to the 3rd item on our list. Okay, so number 3 in the lineup is the Sigma 14-24 f2.8 Art series lens. This is one of the newest lenses in the Global Vision lineup. This is for full frame, available in the Canon and the Nikon mount. And the reason why it's made it to the top picks is because its overall image quality is phenomenal. It's sharp, wide open at f2.8. You have minimal distortion. This lens is built like a tank. And I have a feeling this is going to do really well here at the Digital Goja showroom. Again, 14-24, if you're looking for an extremely wide angle lens for your full frame or even crop sensor camera, look no further than the 14-24 from Sigma, the f2.8 Art. So the next in the lineup is the Canon 50mm TSE Macro L series lens. That's a tilt shift lens. And the reason why it's made it to this month's top picks is, well, because it's one of my favorite lenses. Yes, it's about $2,200, but it's worth every penny. The image quality is phenomenal, and this lens, this little lens over here, can do a lot more than what a conventional lens can do. In its name, it's a tilt shift lens. It saves you a whole lot of time where you don't have to do the effect in post. So again, 50mm tilt shift lens from Canon. So thank you for staying with us. And this is the number 1 pick in the Digital Goja showroom, and it's the M50 video creator kit from Canon. And the reason why this has made it to the top pick is because the camera provides you with extremely good image quality, 1080p with dual pixel AF. You do have 4K video at a crop, but also they've teamed up with Rode to provide you with an extremely good on-camera microphone. So if you're just getting started on YouTube and looking for a complete package to get your content out there, take a look at the Canon EOS M50 video creator kit. Okay, so now you're seeing footage directly from the M50 at 1080. This is the video creator kit. And so the audio that's being recorded is with the Rode mic that's provided in the kit. Okay, so if this video helped you out, please hit the like button underneath and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. And remember, if you're in the Miami area, come check us out at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here. I'll catch you in the next video.